thank you again so much for even giving us a call back to learn more about my candidacy, and I'm really hoping to earn your vote.
There are a lot of things that I want to do, right? But I think the first piece, one is helping to build capacity of amazing organizations that are already in the neighborhood doing work. So this is anything from nonprofits to our neighborhood association. I think oftentimes there's so much heart and passion in our neighborhood association, but they really need resources and capacity to build out the vision that they want to do for their own neighborhoods, right? So a big part of it is really gathering our neighborhood associations together and really figuring out some of their, they have so many strengths, but where they're lacking, and so that we could support and uplift them. Another piece is also, I think oftentimes we talk a lot about Meadowview and South Sacramento as a food desert, and as someone with a public health background, and someone who's passionate about urban ag, I think that District 8 and our communities is well positioned to really be like the heart of, of the farm to fork movement. Oftentimes you see a lot of this stuff happening maybe outside of Meadowview, right? But really I feel like we're very well positioned. We have the Urban Ag Pathway at Luther Burbank as well. We have so much talent and skills of Hmong farmers, of Black farmers, of folks who are just so passionate about food, and that I really want to be able to uplift that. We have the Urban Ag Ordinance that passed, but it's always about the implementation of the ordinance, right? The execution piece, and really figuring out how we can uplift that to create the kind of conditions for our communities to thrive.
As I've walked well over 6,000 doors before the March primary, people deeply care about homelessness and how our city, as well as how our state, is providing supportive services for those that are homeless within their communities, within their streets, within their businesses. You also hear a deep concern about youth and children and creating opportunity for youth and children through after-school programs, safe spaces, and just educational support with programs like STEM. Another key area that you definitely hear resonates amongst folks is jobs. Making sure that there are a steady workforce and equipped people for those jobs. You definitely hear those resonate in District 8. And it's time to put some conviction to helping those that are homeless out of that space into some affordable housing, some jobs, and some support. And I think that's my platform. That's what is needed for right now.
Well, yeah, it's a big issue, you know.
Yeah.
And they're starting to come this direction, and
they're here,
like staying down here by the park,
right?
Yeah.